D. Knockdown Shelf Drawer Installation Guide. Content. Step 1. Assemble the drawer front panel. First, gather all the parts related to the drawer front panel. Follow the instructions to connect and assemble the front panel components. Step 2. Assemble the drawer body. Next, assemble the drawer body. Attach the drawer bottom panel to the left panel, right panel, back panel, and the pre-assembled drawer front panel. Make sure all screws and connectors are securely tightened to ensure the structure's stability. Step 3. Slide rail handle assembly. Affix the bracket to the crossbars using nylon rivets. Step 4. Assemble the 3-section slide rails. Now, assemble the 3-section slide rails. Separate the rails into 2 parts, A and B. A. Attach part A of the slide rail to the drawer body. Pay attention to the direction to ensure smooth movement. B. Attach part B of the slide rail to the handle and slide rail bracket. Again, make sure the direction is correct. Complete the assembly. Finally, connect all the components together.
JOSAM gondola.